Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve no internet issue on your TELEFUNKEN J501 TV. So let's first consider the Wi-Fi malfunctioning issue, and then we'll consider the Ethernet cable issues. So in case you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, go to settings, navigate to network. Then in network we want to select wireless device as the network type, and after you select wireless device as your network type, you're gonna have to search for available networks by clicking scan wireless networks. But if you are already connected to some Wi-Fi network that delivers no internet access to you, then you're gonna have to first select disconnect, because this might cause some interference and you will not be able to connect to another wireless network while you are already connected to one. So disconnect from the existing connection and then scan for wireless networks once again. You may also need to restart your TV once to proceed. So let's scan wireless network, then be patient and wait a little, and then you will see the networks. Now, the 5 GHz networks will give you better internet speed, but they also have a smaller reach area. So if you want to have more stable internet access, go with the default Wi-Fi network instead of connecting to the 5 GHz one. Just select your Wi-Fi network and then enter the password to it using this virtual keyboard. Once you entered your password, click OK and wait until your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. This might take a while, so be patient. And as you can see right now, we are connected to this network. But if you tried to connect to the Wi-Fi network and didn't succeed, so your TV sees the network but you are still disconnected, then first of all try cold resetting your TV. And by cold resetting I mean remove the power cord from the power outlet, then wait for about a minute. Keep your device unplugged for a minute, and after a minute we'll plug the cord back into the power outlet. Okay, after the cord is replugged into the outlet, let's restart the TV and let's see whether it fixed our internet issue. Well, of course I didn't experience any issues, but in your case it most probably will. I'm just gonna show you how to check it. So let's go back to settings, navigate to network, select network. You should already have a wireless device selected, and right now you should be successfully connected to the internet. And if you're still not, try using a different network, and also try moving away some devices that might interfere with your Wi-Fi connection. These devices might be devices with network cards built in, so it may be your laptop around your TV, it may be the Wi-Fi speaker, it may be something like your smartphone or your tablet. Try just keeping them away from your TV. Disconnect from the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to, and then try a different one. So now this is the Wi-Fi issue resolved. Now if you want to resolve the Ethernet cable issue, so if you are trying to connect the Ethernet cable to your TV but can't get Wi-Fi or the internet signal, then first of all what we want to do is disconnect the Wi-Fi. So underneath wireless device, select disconnect, switch to wired device, and now let's insert the LAN cable into the LAN port. The port is located right here on the back of the TV, so this is where we insert our LAN cable. Make sure that it clicks. This indicates that it sits firmly. Make sure that it won't go out if you just pull it. slightly. Just not do not do it too hard. You don't want to break anything inside. And most probably after that your TV will not discover any internet access through this cable. So if we go back to settings, open network, well, as you can see, I am connected right now, but if you don't see that you are connected, then the only way to resolve this issue, and it's a 100% method, well, unless your LAN cable simply does not provide any internet, you simply do the same thing that we did previously. You unplug your TV from the power cord, wait for a minute, and after a minute you plug the cord back in, and then check the internet access once again. And I can assure you that unless you have some troubles within your LAN cable, or unless you have troubles reaching the internet using your Wi-Fi router, your TV should now have internet access. So let's plug the cable back inside. Turn on the TV. And now if you return to settings and go to network, you should be able that you are connected to the internet using your wired device, and you can perform internet speed test to ensure that you are connected properly. As you can see, we have not much, but we do have internet access, and that means that the issue is resolved. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.